It is morning. This morning, I'm at my workshop there in my business center. It's my shop here. I'm resting here. Let's get up now. It is my desire that may, may the conflict between Donald Trump and Elon Musk get over in Jesus' mighty name. I will be happy if they will be together. It is my prayer that their conflict going to get over soon. I pray for them so that they will going to be together and they are going to do their things together again in Jesus' mighty name. In Jesus' mighty name, let it happen in the flotation power of the whole spirit. It is going to happen in Jesus' mighty name. And they will going to be together again. Elon and Trump of USA Marekani, USA America. Ni shauku yangu kuona wakiwa tena pamoja, na ni maombi yangu kwamba itaenda kuwa hivyo. Kwa roho ifurikayo ya Roho Mtakatifu, nguvu ifurikayo ya Roho Mtakatifu, na amuri ikawe hivyo in Jesus mighty name. Yes Lord, that's going to be like that in Jesus mighty name. In Jesus mighty name. In Jesus mighty name. In Jesus mighty name. Let it happen. Let it happen. Let it happen. And see you shine again. See you shine again. I want America shine more and more in Jesus' mighty name.